What is going on, family? We got going today. It's a cold air intake install on the 95 TBI. And interesting little kit. I'm walking away to get my light real quick. But the kit came from Amazon. It was a $59 little cold air intake kit. Don't look bad at all either. The wells are good. I just gotta charge my light up so I can have more when I'm ready for it. But let me show you guys the kit. Here's the cap, well, the hat that sits on top of the throttle body. The intake pipe. What else we got? This is the air filter. And all the other little accessories we need. Like, we'll pull it out so I can show you guys what this sound like. Oh no. Okay. That's the top wing nut. We guess it'd be a wing nut. A little bracket that holds the pipe in place. That goes inside the throttle body unit. And some more hardware. So I'm gonna go get my camera stand and get everything set up so I can show you guys how to install this. Well, you ain't gotta do it behind me. I'm pretty sure most of you guys know how to do it. But I'm gonna show you how I'm installing on my truck. Okay, I guess this is good view. Had to sit you guys up kind of high because the stand was too low. This glare is probably taken away from the image, so I'm gonna sit it behind the camera. That looks good. Anywho, let's go ahead and get this installed cracking. I'm gonna go ahead and install this wing nut screw first, and I believe it goes here. I'm gonna use this long side. Twist it. We're gonna leave that right there. But it can be twisted in some more. It's being difficult. For the time being, we're gonna leave it right there. Next will be the aluminum cap, and like I was saying, the welds on here are extremely good. I don't know if you can see those because I can't really see what I'm showing you guys. Like the craftsmanship on this is pretty good for $49 or $59 kit. Anywho, I'm gonna take this, line up with that, and it sits on there just like so. If you're just gonna do a turbo kit, this would be that'll be a good what's the name too. And seeing that this cap ain't gonna fit on her correctly, I'm gonna have to actually just go get a wing nut and just sit it on there for time being. This pipe right here, it's supposed to be a hose going to the PVC, but I don't have. You see, they got the chrome caps here. I plan on going ahead and squishing those out and putting one of those in there. So I'll install that part later. Let's go to the next piece. This will be hooked up to this pipe. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this back off. Okay. I got my clamps. One's gonna go on this side. One's gonna go on this side. I can show you guys. Clamps, one's gonna go on this pipe, one's gonna go on this pipe through the rubber fitting part. Just like so. And when you do it, make sure this is angled down. You'll see why in a second. But I'm gonna go ahead and tighten these clips up. My screwdriver's in the truck. My screwdriver is in the truck. Oh, sorry guys. I got one right here. A lot of editing in this video. The install is complete, but I wish they sent instructions because I'm not sure where this bracket goes that they sent with the kit. And here it just hangs, so I'm gonna modify that later on this week. The kit is alright. It doesn't fit perfect, like in the back side back here. Yeah, it still has a gap still, but I'm gonna charge this battery up and we're gonna start it up, see how it sounds. And I see you guys it'll be your next clip for you, but for me it'll take, I don't know, about 30-40 minutes while this battery is charging. I'll be doing another video, and I just sit around and wait. Okay guys, she might start right away, she might not. Let's try it. Take one. This battery is fucked. So I guess I'll give you guys a startup on Instagram when I get the rest of the stuff all organized and everything. I'm sorry you couldn't hear it, but the install is pretty easy, as you guys can see. Just wing nut, clamps, and that little bar, which I gotta fabricate some shit to go to it. But other than that, hopefully it sounds good. Hopefully it improves the torque and horsepower. Yeah. So thank you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm gonna close this hood so I can probably start a bit. If it does start up before I edit this video, I will go ahead and drop that clip in here. I might go out and just buy a brand new battery because it's been needing it. I was gonna get a windshield today, but as you can see, it's raining out there, so yeah. Anywho, like I said, thank you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Come back for the next video. You might see this video, and I think I got like 3 more videos ahead of this, so just stick tuned. I got a lot of stuff coming up. I know my videos don't come around that often, but when you guys do come, I appreciate it a lot. So I'm finna jump from this truck to that truck. I know you guys pretty don't like that truck that much, but this will be a base, like a radio base install, and you guys kind of like that a little bit. So let's do that. I might clean the headlights on this truck too. I'll see you guys in the next video.